Machine A and B were used to print the same number of cards each. Machine A took 60 minutes to print the cards. Machine B took 90 minutes to print the same number of cards. So obviously machine A is faster, machine B is slower. The faster machine printed 8 more cards per minute than the slower one. What was the total number of cards printed by the two machines? Now, machine A is a faster one, machine B is a slower one. Alright? So for machine B, it took 90 minutes, machine A 60 minutes. What is the difference in time? Difference in time is 90 minus 60, which is 30 minutes. Now, question to ask yourself is this, okay? Why is it that machine B needed 30 more minutes to print the same number of cards? Now, it's really because when they were both running for 60 minutes, right? Machine A, 60 minutes. Machine B, 60 minutes. Machine A was able to print more cards as compared to machine B in that 60 minutes. Why? Because for every minute that you give machine A, it is able to print 8 more cards as compared to machine B. So in 60 minutes, machine A will print 60 times 8, which is 480 more cards as compared to machine B. Now that is why machine B is taking this extra 30 minutes to print the extra cards that it did not manage to print in the first 60 minutes. Okay, try and rewind this video again and hear the explanation one more time and write this down, write the key points down. I repeat this, in the 60 minutes that both machines are working, okay? So let's say I give machine A and machine B, both I give them 60 minutes. Okay, this guy is able to complete the job. This guy not able to. Not able to complete the job in 60 minutes. Why? Because in that 60 minutes, machine A is printing 480 more cards, extra cards, that machine B is not able to print. So that's why machine B is requiring the additional 30 minutes to print this extra 480 cards. Okay, so now we focus on machine B. It required 30 minutes to print that extra 480 cards, am I right? So you can actually find per minute how many cards is it printing. Cards. Okay, so if you give machine B that total of 90 minutes, it's able to finish the job. Alright? So how many cards is it printing in that entire 90 minutes? 1440 cards. And we know both machines actually printed the same number of cards, right? So the total number of cards printed by both machines is 1440 times 2. 2880 cards. Final answer, 2880 cards printed by both machines.